Garmin, stop recording.
This is the Insta360 One, the camera that goes anywhere and sees everything. You can use it with your phone, on its own, or control it remotely with an app. It delivers 360 video in jaw-dropping 4K resolution and photos at 24 megapixels, so the moments you capture look as clear as they felt. Heading out on the water is easy with the One's waterproof housing. Life moves fast, and the One adapts. Thanks to 6-axis stabilization, the One gives you smooth video without sacrificing quality. You can broadcast 360 video live in 4K, so friends and family can be there with you. Here's the kicker. The One uses all new free capture technology. Free capture lets you call the shots and turn any 360 experience into a perfectly edited, classic-sized video, all on your phone. Smart Track follows a subject and puts it center frame, so that you can be your own camera crew. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. Which got us thinking, what else can you do with a stabilized camera and invisible selfie stick? For the first time ever, epic bullet time shots are easy. With the One, you can capture your story without ever leaving the moment. Relive an experience just as it happened, or go back, look around, and take the time to get the perfect shot. It's all there. You just choose what to share. When your camera captures everything, you only need one.
The E360 VR camera delivers stunning video and images in 360. This camera features professional-grade video quality with a 2.3-inch 12-megapixel Sony IMX377 sensor and 220° f2.0 dual lens. On top of the camera is a 96x64 dot matrix OLED screen. Sound is recorded with 2 integrated microphones. It also comes with an HDMI port. Finally, you can immerse yourself in 360 degrees of truly vivid video, all captured from the palm of your hand.
Can I turn myself into who I used to be? I just want to get back to the place I thought I had it all. I remember the time when I had the whole world with you by my side. 'Cause I'll get back to green grass and mountain highs, and I'll get back to oceans and late nights. If you would only come with me, I'd never get old. Can I get myself back to golden if I had the chance to up and go, don't hold me back. I remember the time when I had the whole world with you by my side. 'Cause I'll get back to green grass and mountains.
generally with my murals and public art, I just like to make people happy. Now we have this opportunity to be immersed in these images. And I think that that's something that nobody's really ever thought of doing.
Ricoh.
This is Fusion. It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made. Fusion has two lenses, one on the front, one on the back.
It's like having multiple cameras shooting in all different directions. You're able to get beautiful 5.2K footage out of this compact device that can fit in your pocket. As GoPro's new VR camera, Fusion is going to let people capture angles that haven't been possible before.
It's waterproof, it's mountable, it's got voice control, it works with the GoPro app. It's a GoPro.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image. We designed the camera with offset lenses for optimal stitching. With the stitch lines taken care of, you're free to enjoy your experience.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing. It's got gimbal-like stabilization, but it's built into the camera.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
Fusion is not just a VR camera. One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
You can turn the camera around in ways that was never possible before with traditional GoPros. You're capturing everything at once and then just pick and choose the different angles you want after the fact.
With one camera, you can capture everything, and the GoPro app makes it easier than ever to choose your shots and direct your story later. With Fusion, you can achieve stunning visual effects like angel view, little planet, pano flow, and time shift. Fusion is the next kind of evolution of storytelling at GoPro. Immersive VR, super stabilized footage, stunning visual effects, and a new way of creating called overcapture.
Fusion's the first of its kind. This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Low state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the One X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The One X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet Time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The One X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.